ELI 5, How a Modern Train Engine Starts Moving When It's Hauling a Mile's Worth of Cars. I understand the physics, generally, but it just blows my mind that a single train engine has enough traction to start a pull with that much weight. I get that it has the power, I just want to have a more detailed understanding of how the engine achieves enough downward force to create enough friction to get going. Is it something to do with the fact that there's some wiggle between cars so it's not starting off needing pull the entire weight? Thanks in advance. Trains do not bunch the cars to get them rolling, just going to clear that up first. There are two different types of friction you have to think about when dealing with trains. Rolling resistance, which is very low, and tractive friction, which is very high. Locomotives use the second, tractive friction, and a humongous amount of torque to get the rest of the train moving. The electric motors on locomotives do not need to be spinning to generate torque, and they make an unbelievable amount right from 0 RPM. They also start accelerating very slowly, and the tractive friction of the locomotives is enough to offset the weight of the cars, at very slight grades compared to automobiles, and the moment of inertia on the wheels. A good rule of thumb is that for every 1% of grade you need 1 horsepower per ton. So a 4,400-ton train on 1% grade would need one 4,400 horsepower motor to get moving and stay moving. Now, that is the absolute bare minimum, and you would be on the edge of stalling, so a bit above that like 1.1 to 1.3 HP/ton is preferable.